mullet on my left, mullet on my right. I've been fishing for a mullet my whole darn life. My sweet mullet, won't you take my bait? Everywhere I look, I catch a glimpse of you. Today we do some more mullet fishing at the Outer Banks. Okay, good morning. So today onions are fishing. Back hitting the surf. Got our surf casting rod and we're gonna give it a shot. Okay, we got one. I think I'm gonna have to sit in the chair and do it. Oh man, the spot are on. I think these are spot. Nope, 2 mullet. I don't think I've ever done 2 mullet before. Oh wow. Pretty nice, all while sitting in the lawn chair here. There we go, not too bad. 2 at once, just showing off. Just showing off. Hey, good morning.
Morning. How's it going?
Good. Caught 2 mullet at once.
Nice.
Here's the osprey. It's always a good sign when he's hanging around. Oh yeah, ooh, he's a big one. Oh yeah, that's a good sized mullet. I went out further this time. That seems to be the ticket.
You're good actually if you can.
Yeah.
Here,
Not a bad size. Another one. Guess we had a hit. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, I think we got something. Good sized one, whatever he is. Yep, he's a mullet. Yep. We got a mullet. Nice. Alright. Well, I think it's time to go get some breakfast. That sailboat out there is pretty cool. Oh, we're back out on the beach again. Got a little bit different setup. Borrowed my son's reel, which is a much better one than I got. We'll see what happens. Real nice inlet here, break between the sandbars. I just caught mullet here a couple of minutes ago. See if we can scare anything else up there. I don't know, maybe we got one on here. It's a circle hook.
He's not camera ready, Dad.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, no, he's okay.
Okay, ready? Hey, so I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Yinzer Fishing here at the beach, and we'll see you again soon. I'll let you enjoy the scenery here. Got so much to lose.